Can we get another bottle?
You want one more?
See, I honestly don't think that.
No, no, no!
If I plead no contest, they'll agree to 2 years,
No.
8 months.
No.
I'd only,
No, we're fighting this.
If we do, I'm facing 7 years.
It's an accident.
Single file.
The fact is, we all started out as someone's little bundle of joy. And then a place like this forces us to become warriors or victims.
I'm not looking for trouble.
Maybe I should get you transferred into my shop, find out how a white boy fights.
The only thing that's gonna matter to you is me. Safety comes with a price. You'll get your hands dirty like the rest of us.
They design places like this to break men like us. They're gonna break you?
Why participate in the riot?
We got your rules and we got the gang's rules. And theirs matter.
Welcome to the family, brother.
The Beast has ordered this guy, Jacob Harlan, to make an arms deal in the next 48 hours.
This is for you.
I'm not taking your gang money. I don't hear from you for 7 years.
I told you not to bring him game.
You think the honor of being one of us ends at the gate? It ends when you're 6 feet under.
I'm running the show now.